Hi everyone, this is just a quick video to let you know that only one person used the whole term Valentine's Day in my third 2024 hidden giveaway. It was on a video called Let's Use Our Embellishments, where I made Valentine's cards with the Valentine's embellishments from Embellishments on the 11th. And the winner, therefore, is at Judy Harmon 4586. Judy, I already have your email and I just sent you an email, so congratulations. I also did put this in the community post, but I thought some people have told me that they don't get those notifications, so I thought I'd do this quick video and just let you all know some people use the word Valentine or Valentines, but they didn't use Valentine's with the apostrophe S day, which is what I asked to be used. I didn't have that many comments on the video at all. So anyway, congratulations, Judy. You've won the Heart Swing cards and envelopes, and I mentioned in my email when I'll get that out to you. And I do apologize to everyone for being late with this giveaway. And do continue to watch my videos. I have several more hidden giveaways coming. I've been a little late getting some of them out. But I'll show you what the next one, no, I won't. I'm not going to show you what the next one is. I'll do that in the hidden giveaway. Take care. Have a great week, everyone, or weekend. Bye for now. Hugs, love, and peace.